Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a full, detailed review of the 2026 Cadillac V16, a breathtaking luxury performance car that represents the pinnacle of American automotive engineering and design. Cadillac has a long history of big engine tradition, and the 2026 V16 brings that legacy into the modern era with a stunning blend of opulence, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance. In this review, we'll cover exterior styling, interior craftsmanship, performance and powertrain, driving dynamics, technology and safety, pricing, real-world usability, and even a few suggestions to make this automotive masterpiece even more compelling. Let's jump right in. From the moment you see the 2026 Cadillac V16, it's clear this is no ordinary vehicle, it's a statement. The exterior design merges classic Cadillac cues with contemporary boldness, creating a timeless yet unmistakably modern presence on the road. Up front, an imposing vertical grille stretches wide and tall with refined, polished chrome accents that evoke Cadillac's heritage while asserting authority. Integrated within this grille are advanced sensor arrays for driver assist systems, seamlessly blended without disrupting the luxurious aesthetic. Flanking the grille are sleek, high-definition LED headlights with intricate lighting signatures that provide excellent nighttime visibility and an iconic light pattern that's immediately recognizable. The hood is long and sculpted, with deep character lines and subtle bulges that hint at the monster powertrain beneath it. At the center of the hood, you'll often find the iconic Cadillac crest, but in the V16, it carries extra significance, signaling the extraordinary engineering hidden beneath. With a wide, confident stance and strong wheel arches, the V16 looks poised to unleash its performance whether parked or rolling forward. From the side, the silhouette is elegant and perfect in proportion, a long hood, relatively short overhangs, and a sweeping roofline that gently tapers into a dignified rear deck. The greenhouse, Cadillac's term for the window area, is trimmed with polished metal accents that contrast beautifully against deep paint finishes like obsidian black, sapphire blue, or rich burgundy. Large, multi-spoke alloy wheels, often 21 or 22 in diameter, fill the wheel wells and enhance both style and presence. At the rear, the LED taillights stretch horizontally and mirror the front lighting cues, reinforcing the car's width and stance. Subtle chrome trim accents and integrated exhaust outlets add to the premium feel without overwhelming the design. The trunk lid opens with smooth, power-activated motion, revealing a surprisingly generous cargo area for a high-end performance car. A perfect blend of form and function. Stepping inside the 2026 Cadillac V16 cabin is like entering a private jet designed for life on the road. Cadillac has spared no expense in material quality and craftsmanship. The seats are wrapped in the finest, hand-stitched semi-aniline leather, available in a range of sophisticated color combinations that evoke classic luxury cars while remaining modern and fresh. Wood veneers, brushed aluminum trim, and real carbon fiber elements, optional, create an interior that's tailored, bespoke, and rich with detail. Front seats offer an astonishing array of adjustments: heating, ventilation, multi-directional power positioning, and even multi-mode massage functions, designed for long highway travel. Available memory settings make it easy to store preferred seating positions for multiple drivers. Rear passengers enjoy a space that's equally refined, with expansive legroom, climate controls, and a comfortable seating environment that rivals first-class airline cabins. The dashboard layout is wide and elegant, anchored by a large curved high-resolution display that flows seamlessly into the digital instrument cluster. This dual display setup allows for a rich suite of information, from navigation and media to vehicle performance data, all presented with crisp graphics and intuitive controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, making smartphone integration effortless. Physical controls for climate and volume remain within easy reach, blending tactile feedback with modern digital convenience. An available premium audio system from brands often associated with luxury performance vehicles turns the cabin into a concert hall on wheels. Whether it's classical music, rock, or podcasts, sound quality is rich and immersive. Now let's talk about performance and powertrain, where the 2026 Cadillac V16 truly earns its name. At the heart of this machine is a hand-built V16 engine, engineered for both astonishing power and refined smoothness. While exact output figures vary depending on market and configuration, you can expect upwards of 800 to 900 horsepower and equally impressive torque figures. This engine delivers breathtaking acceleration, immense torque from idle through high RPM, and a sound that's deep, authoritative, And unmistakably Cadillac, power is routed to the wheels via a sophisticated automatic transmission. Typically, a multi-speed dual clutch or advanced torque converter unit designed for immediate response, smooth shifts, and driver-selectable modes that tailor performance characteristics. Whether you're in comfort mode for a relaxed cruise or sport track mode for dynamic driving, the V16 adapts with confidence. Acceleration is exhilarating. The Cadillac V16 surges forward with authority, and because electric power assist and modern engine management smooth out transitions between gears, the experience feels both instant and refined. World-class chassis damping systems keep body roll in check, and an adaptive suspension continually adjusts to road conditions for comfort or control. Handling in the V16 blends GT confidence with cornering ability that challenges many sports cars. The suspension is smartly calibrated, compliant enough to absorb imperfect pavement on long trips, yet firm and communicative in spirited driving scenarios. Steering is precise and weighted appropriately for speed and driving mode, giving the driver confidence whether navigating city streets or open highways. Braking power comes from high performance multi-piston systems that deliver strong stopping power with refined pedal feel. When it comes to technology and safety, Cadillac equips the 2026 V16 with a full complement of advanced systems to enhance both convenience and peace of mind. Standard and available features include adaptive cruise control with stop and go, helps maintain a safe following distance on highways, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, adds active safety on crowded roads, lane keeping assist and lane departure warning helps keep the vehicle centered. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert boosts confidence in lane changes and backing up. Traffic sign recognition displays detected speed limits and warnings. 360-degree surround view camera system makes tight parking and maneuvering easier. Head-up display HUD projects key info like speed and navigation into the driver's view. Infotainment and connectivity tech are equally robust, with built-in navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, multiple USB-C ports, Bluetooth streaming, voice control, and available rear entertainment systems for passenger enjoyment. Now let's talk pricing. The 2026 Cadillac V16 sits firmly in the luxury and performance car segment with a premium price tag to match. Because the V16 is often hand-built and features bespoke elements, pricing reflects this exclusivity, placing it among the most exclusive and high-end vehicles on the road. Base pricing starts at the high end of the luxury sedan or Grand Tourer range, with higher trims and bespoke personalization options pushing it into truly elite territory. Even so, the V16 delivers a combination of heritage, performance, luxury, and advanced tech that delivers compelling value for buyers seeking the absolute best American automotive craftsmanship. If there are a few areas where Cadillac could improve the 2026 V16, a couple suggestions come to mind. First, offering even deeper interior personalization options, such as coach-built color schemes, bespoke stitching motifs, or collector's edition trim packages, would elevate exclusivity even further. Second, integrating an augmented reality head-up display with navigation cues and advanced safety feedback could enhance driver situational awareness. Third, while the V16's powertrain is exceptional, offering a mild hybrid or electrified assist that improves low-end torque and efficiency could broaden appeal without dulling performance. Even with those suggestions, the 2026 Cadillac V16 stands out as a true flagship, a grand touring masterpiece that blends breathtaking performance, timeless luxury, modern technology, and elegant design. Whether you're cruising on a long, open highway or showing up to a high-end event, this car delivers confidence, prestige, and a connection to Cadillac's rich first-class heritage. Thanks for watching this full, detailed review of the 2026 Cadillac V16. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more in-depth reviews of flagship luxury vehicles, high-performance cars, and automotive innovation, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and stay inspired.